Hi everyone, my name is Miriam Adeyemi, and today I'm going to take you through Excel training on how to use the various functions of Excel. I'm going to start from the basics and then I'll go into the functions and then I'll show you how to manipulate your data and how to visualize your data and how to use your data to do whatever you like to help your business take decision. Okay, so we just dive right in. So right here, this is the Excel worksheet. And whenever you open up an Excel sheet, this is what you're going to see minus my data right here. You're not going to see my data when you open up your Excel sheet. But of course, when you open up the sheet, you see this interface. So these are the tabs right here. And then we have the home tab, which has a sub tab when you click on it like this. We have the insert, which has its own sub tab that we're going to talk about later. And we have the draw, the page layout, the formulas, the data, the review, the view. And then we're going to discuss this at length as we progress with this training. So these are the products of this particular company, and they have this baseline, which is like their target. And this is the unit cost price of each of these products. And then we have the total cost price. This is already formatted. And then how did we calculate this? We just equal sign, then we pick the unit cost price and then multiplied by the baseline, as we can see here. So this is the sales quantity. This is what was sold within the course of that month. And then this is the unit cost price, unit sales price, sorry. And then of each of this product. So we're going to calculate the sales amount and the sales profit and percentage gross profit. So the sales amount, which is the total sales that was made in that month. So we go equal sign, we pick the unit sales amount multiplied by the sales quantity. So this is the total sales price for Bimbo for that month. How did we calculate? How did we get the multiplication sign? We held down the shift button and then we pressed the asterisk sign on your keyboard. That's how to get the multiplication sign. And so if you want to get the sales amount for the rest of the product, we just drag down like this. And then we have the sales amount for all the products. And then we want to calculate the gross profit. So how do we calculate the gross profit? We calculate the gross profit by deducting the total cost price from the sales amount. So we just go right now, equal sign sales amount minus the total cost price, and then that's our gross profit for that month. And then we do the same for the rest of the products. So we want to calculate the um, percentage gross profit. So equal sign, we pick the gross profit divided by the total cost price. So we have our total gross profit for that month. So this is not in percentage, it's in decimal. So we're gonna convert this to the to percentage. We just go to this tab right here and we pick the percent style. Yeah, here you go. So we have our percentage. So we can see that we can see the percentage profit of each of this product. And we can see from here that Bimbo and Yumo has the, oh, sorry, that we can see that the tunnel has the highest, what am I saying? Tadvas has the highest profit for that month. And then we can always uh, um, filter. If we want to filter, just highlight the product and then go to the filter button and then we filter. We can always filter if we want. If we want to see only Bimbo, we just uncheck all the products and we pick only Bimbo, and then we can see only Bimbo. If we want to, we can do that for the rest of the products actually. If we want to see the gross profit of Bimbo, we can just pick right here. I want to see the highest percent, who has the highest gross profit. Once we see the percent, the profits here, just uncheck all of them and pick the highest. We can see that Tadvas has the highest profit. So I'm gonna go back and check all of them. So now I want to calculate the uh, total for all of these numbers that we have. So there are two ways to do this. I'm gonna highlight down to the next column, and then I go to the sum button. So I got my total right now. So I can do that for the rest of the numbers that we have, the rest of the columns that we have. The other way to do this, to calculate your total, I'm going to take that off. Go to the equal sign, and then you pick the data you want to use and pick the plus sign. How you pick your plus sign is to press down the shift button, then you go to your keyboard and pick the plus sign. If you don't press it down, you're gonna see equal sign if you don't press down the shift button. So pick the next one, press the plus button, the next one, and you do the same for the rest of the numbers, like so. And then and so we have the same thing. So you can see from here that the formula is quite different from what we had here. Those are the different ways you can calculate your total. So I'm going to take this off and then put back the initial one, just so we're all on the same page. Right. If I want to box this now, right now, I highlight all of them. I go to this tab, at the border tab, and I pick all borders. And then I box all of them. If I want to give it a thicker box, to make it look distinctive, I pick the thick box right here. And then if I want to highlight the headline, I'm going to click the bold button, and then I also pick the thick box, right? If I want to give it another color, the headline, I want to give the heading its own color, I just go to the fill bucket and I pick my color. You can pick any color you want, right here. I just decided to use green. And then you can also change the font's color. Right now it's on black. You can change it to any color you want. I picked orange. I'm going to take it back to black, actually. So you can pick any color you want, but make sure you highlight before you pick, or else it's not going to pick anything. So if I want to format this table, I want to give it a more distinctive look, and then I'll be able to, I can click on any box, and then I'm going to take up this total first. Let's see. So I'll click on this, any column, and then I go to format as table, and then I pick this, right. So right. So you can actually change it to whatever table you like. There are different types, there are different ones you can pick, right? And then just pick whatever suits you. It's up to you. It's up to you to pick whatever suits you. I'm gonna go back to what I had before. Right. Okay. So that's about that. So if I wanna, I'm gonna take back the calculation, actually. So that's basically how to do this little calculation. And I'll see you in the next section of this training. Thank you for watching.